I will quickly go over my presentation slide, but more importantly, I would like you to take a few pointers that come in the way as well. So I'll briefly introduce myself in the presentation, so bear with me for all the action that comes from this point onwards. Imagine this. It's 2035, you're on a hypersonic passenger jet blasting towards Sydney from Helsinki. A trip that once took over 20 hours, now completed in a mere 3. As you gaze out of the panoramic window at the curvature of the Earth, a calming voice announces, "We've encountered minor turbulence ahead. Don't worry. Our AI autopilot has already rerouted for a smoother ride." This is not a futuristic fantasy. It is a scenario built on the very real foundation of artificial intelligence that's transforming the way we fly today. Buckle up, aviation enthusiasts, because we're about to explore how AI is taking flight, shaping the future of aviation as we speak. A brief introduction to myself. I've come a long way, 25 years, give or take a few. Applied aviation, fighter pilot, commercial pilot, safety risk management, human factors, CRMI, CRMT, been there, done that on international channels, as well as publicized in a few journals as well as commercial magazines. But where I stand today as the curb is the most crucial point in time. Advanced air mobility and artificial intelligence. These are the two fortes or the niche that I've come across. And as you can see on the slide, I've been there, done that for a few events internationally, starting from Europe to the Middle East, Dubai Air Show and the lot. So that is where I come from, and where we go today is of importance to all of us. I welcome you all, aviation enthusiasts, to this exciting exploration of how artificial intelligence is transforming the very wings that carry us across the globe. The theme of building the future of aviation together resonates so deeply here because AI is not a distant dream. It's happening right now. From optimizing flight paths to safeguarding every journey, AI is already shaping every aspect of flight from cockpit to curb. Get ready for a whirlwind tour of how AI is taking flight and propelling us forwards towards a brighter aviation future. Teresa Requel Merlo highlights how AI analyzes massive real-time data, may it be weather, traffic, or fuel, to create the most efficient flight paths. Imagine a supercomputer constantly calculating the best possible route. That's the future of AI in action. This benefits everyone. Airlines save fuel while being environmentally friendly and cost effective. Passengers reach destinations faster, and pilots gain valuable insights for a smooth and safe journey. We will delve deeper into the AI's impact on aviation, including predictive maintenance, later in the presentation. But for now, let's appreciate how AI is transforming how we fly. Imagine having a super intelligent navigator constantly whispering the most fuel efficient and time saving route in the pilot's ear. Airlines like Emirates and the sort are already reaping the rewards, saving millions on fuel costs with AI-powered route optimization. How does Emirates use technology to improve your flight experience? Imagine having a co-pilot who possesses the knowledge of a seasoned navigator combined with the processing power of a supercomputer. That's the magic of AI in the cockpit. By analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, AI co-pilots create the most efficient flight paths, saving airlines millions in fuel costs and passengers precious time. This is a prime example of AI working alongside human expertise to create a win-win situation for the aviation industry. AI's impact extends beyond the cockpit, enhancing passenger experience as well. Imagine gliding through the previously bumpy skies thanks to the AI that predicts turbulence and allows pilots to adjust flight path for a smoother ride. While in-flight entertainment options are still evolving, the future holds the possibility of AI companions curating personalized entertainment to suit your individual interests. S. Chakraborty, and the lot emphasize how AI is transforming outdated airport and in-flight processes. Imagine AI anticipating your needs and IoT sensors tracking your luggage. That's the future of air travel. This creates a more personalized and efficient experience, boosting passenger trust as well as satisfaction. We'll explore how AI is revolutionizing aviation throughout this presentation as we proceed further. Just like a guardian angel, AI is keeping a watchful eye on aircraft safety risk management. By analyzing vast amounts of data on flight history, engine performance, as well as weather conditions, AI can predict potential maintenance issues before challenges. Imagine mechanics having a crystal ball that reveals future problems. This is the power of AI in action. Such proactive approach to maintenance significantly reduces the risk of in-flight issues, ensuring safety of passengers as well as crew. It's important to remember that AI works alongside human expertise, empowering mechanics with valuable insights. The power of AI extends beyond predicting future issues. It can also analyze real-time data during flights to identify potential risks as they occur. Imagine an algorithm which can detect an unexpected storm system or a minor technical anomaly before it becomes a major concern. By providing pilots with immediate alerts, AI helps them mitigate potential mishaps and ensure a safe journey. Think of AI as a vigilant co-pilot, constantly monitoring the flight environment and offering invaluable insights to ensure safe, smooth, and efficient flight. Traditionally, aviation relied on reactive risk management, fixing problems after they had happened. But research by Naila Mendes and the lot shows a shift towards proactive methods. Imagine predicting issues before they arise. This is the AI's power in aviation maintenance. By analyzing data, AI can identify problems and allow mechanics to fix them beforehand, preventing emergencies and keeping everyone safe. We'll explore AI's role in predictive maintenance later in the slides, but for now, let's remember, AI is making the skies secure. Imagine gliding through the airport with a personal assistant by your side. AI-powered chatbots and kiosks are transforming the passenger experience, reducing wait times as well as streamlining processes like check-in, bag drop, and boarding. This isn't about efficiency. AI can also provide smart navigation, guiding you to your gate or helping you locate amenities. Additionally, AI can analyze your travel data and preferences, suggesting nearby restaurants or shops that suit your interests, turning your layover from a chore into an enjoyable experience. The impact of AI at airports extends far beyond just efficiency. It's personalizing the passenger journey, providing valuable assistance and reducing stress for everyone, from seasoned travelers to first-time flyers as well. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots handle baggage or assist with security checks, further streamlining the airport experience. This is just a glimpse into the future of AI-powered airports, a future where technology works seamlessly to enhance our travel experience. Research by Igor Kabashkin and company shows a gap in skills needed for AI in aviation. We have a strong digital skills platform, but not the specific expertise to use AI effectively in the aviation field. This newness of aviation AI creates a challenge, but also an opportunity. Educational institutions like your own and aviation companies can come together to bridge this gap and develop a new gen of professionals with the skills to harness AI's potential in aviation. We'll explore solutions to this address and the skills gap later, but for now, bear in mind, AI is about empowering people with the right skills for the future of flight. The journey with AI in aviation is exciting, yes, but it's also with the challenges that come along. Cybersecurity threats and ethical considerations such as potential bias in AI algorithms need to be addressed. The key lies in collaboration. Imagine human pilots and mechanics working alongside AI co-pilots and intelligent maintenance systems. This powerful synergy will unlock the true potential of AI in aviation, ensuring safe, efficient, and ethical future of air travel. Airlines, regulators, and AI developers all have a big role to play in building this future together. The future of aviation is taking flight, powered by the incredible potential of AI, from optimizing routes and enhancing safety to personalizing the passenger experience. AI is transforming every aspect of air travel. Imagine a world where AI co-pilots work alongside human expertise, creating a seamless and enjoyable journey for everyone. This future, however, requires collaboration. Airlines, regulators, and AI developers all have crucial roles to play in building safe, ethical, and secure future for aviation. Let's embrace the possibilities, ladies and gents, and work together to ensure a brighter sky awaits, flown with AI as our co-pilot. Orion Dehu and Ivo Emanuelov highlight the need for innovative regulations to manage AI in aviation. Imagine regulatory sandboxes for safe testing of new AI applications. They also stress the importance of reconciling new AI standards with the existing regulations. Think of it like building an addition that fits seamlessly with your house. Finding the right balance between innovation and safety is key. Regulatory bodies are developing solutions and we'll explore them a bit later. Remember, responsible AI integration remembers innovative regulations that build on existing frameworks for a safe and bright future of aviation. The journey with AI in aviation is just beginning, as we just mentioned. As we explore this exciting path, there will be questions and challenges to address. This is where collaboration becomes critical. It is mission crucial to discuss the ethical development and use of AI, ensuring it empowers human expertise in the cockpit and beyond. By addressing cybersecurity threats and working together, we can build a future where AI unlocks the full potential of aviation, creating a safer, smoother, and more enjoyable flying experience for everyone. As we explore the future of AI in aviation, flashed are some crucial questions we need to consider. As a community, we have the opportunity to shape tomorrow, where AI empowers human ingenuity, creating safer, smoother, and more enjoyable flying experience for everyone. I will leave you with these queries as food for thought to ponder as well as build a future where the power of AI takes aviation to new heights. We've explored the incredible power of AI in aviation, smoother journeys, safer skies, personalized experiences, and efficient operations. Imagine AI co-pilots working alongside human expertise. That's the future. However, responsible development is key as well. Collaboration between airline regulators, developers, as well as educators will bridge the skills gap and harness AI's full potential. This collaborative spirit, coupled with responsible development, unlocks the brighter sky for everyone. Remember, AI is not a replacement. It's a powerful co-pilot for safer, smoother, and more enjoyable flying experience. I thank you all. I will leave you with my references and sources. Just a second. With this, I will end my presentation and open the question answer sessions if you have any. I hope you guys can hear me.
Yeah, so do we have any questions?
Hello, it's EP Drone Centrum Petri Luhtala, Seinäjoki City. I have one question. AI is a very good tool, but what do you think about that if it will make some big mistakes and someone will die for that? Because it will calculate very well, and maybe you can't pilot can't see that it will make mistakes because you ask something and result is so good, but it's fail. It's something wrong. How you can control it that it will not do any mistakes?
A very valuable question. Thank you for asking this. So first and foremost, there are two types of intelligences that we're looking at here. One is human intelligence. The other is the artificial intelligence, which is at play. So at present, where we stand today, AI is here, human intelligence is here, but the gap itself is gradually reducing. This gap needs to remain a bit towards the human intelligence side. If we don't have it, then there is a huge probability of the Terminator Skynet taking place. You may have seen the movie, probably everyone. So artificial intelligence can and should not be left unhindered. The way to do this is make sure that human oversight remains paramount. The final decision that comes in a circumstance has to be coming from human intelligence or the flight deck operator or the maintenance operator or the air traffic manager, whomsoever is there. AI should be facilitating. Right now, the epitome of decision making is judgment. Judgment is what humans have been able to learn through the process of learning cognitively, emotionally, and psychomotor wise in aviation, that the best possible solution has to come from the operator or the human in the loop. There is a big discussion on this, but the answer to your question specifically, maintain human oversight as paramount. They are the final decision makers. AI facilitate that decision making or that judgment call. I hope I've made some sense on that.
Thank you, Fahad. Hey, this is Ari Etelävuori. So I have a question for you. I think that you mentioned, I'm not sure, but you mentioned maybe Emirates or Etihad in the beginning of your presentation, using AI somehow in route optimization and having that information usable in the cockpit. Could you tell a little bit more details about that? How they use that?
Okay, so the flight operations department in Emirates and other airlines are utilizing all possible data available, because right now any and every component of aircraft is generating data. May it be the geared turbofan engines, may it be the sensors on board, the air data computers, they're all generating data. Once they amalgamate that data together, the flight ops department is able to find the best possible routes, the best possible altitudes, may it be flying in direction of the jet streams, against the jet streams, which altitude, what kind of weight carrying capacities should be maintained, weight and balance limits. So they're utilizing data to the best possible. Once again, airlines are in the business of doing business to make money. And that is where AI has come into play to make the best, facilitate the best possible decisions by the flight ops department, where they are, and there have been instances, and you may be knowing people, I'm certainly knowing people who are flying with Emirates, who are given specific instructions by flight ops department, the flight dispatch, related to altitude brackets, related to headings, directions, wind speeds, and how to make it the most optimized method of operation, saving specifically cost and expenses. I hope I made some sense on that.
Hi, nice to see you online. My name is Ji Chen, and I'm the marketing specialist at Coco Systems. We provide digital solutions for airlines, MROs, and OEMs. So we work with customers such as Rolls-Royce, Finnair, TAP Portugal, Safran, many airlines like that. So this year, I've been conducting a case study, and for the past of the 2 years, we work on some of the topics such as data exchange in aviation, and we also work with Lufthansa on this case study before. I remember it's like 2022. So this year we focus on digitalization in aviation and how AI can help to tackle this challenge. As we all know, that it has been a challenge in aviation maintenance, which is the staff shortages. And there's a big gap between the senior technicians and the technicians who just started their career. And I can see AI definitely has the potential to tackle this problem a lot. And AI definitely improves the efficiency, save a lot of time, and the cost, for example, the drone inspections. But there are also some other people, they're not willing to adapt the new challenges. They're afraid that AI would take their jobs, so they won't have jobs anymore. So I would like to ask you, so what are your opinions on this matter? Thank you.
Okay, so first questions first. I'll take you back 2019 once COVID hit. There were a lot of layoffs, a lot of right sizing of organizations, or politically correct. So a lot of people were let go. But as soon as COVID went away, the pace of operations were regained and people had to come back, or people were brought back enforced. That is where the challenge lies. The issue of human resource management, development, capital, and people's management, as we call it right now, is the future of aviation. AI has facilitated in the past and is facilitating right now through augmented reality efforts. For example, there are programs which are taking place at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, where the technicians are facilitated, aircraft accident investigators are facilitated by augmented reality and virtual reality as well, to find solutions to their challenges or problems. Last question now, the one that very specifically you pointed out: how do we manage the old school individuals to learn the new gig? Challenging, but not impossible. The programs which have been set in on the cognitive side of these old school individuals is challenging to change, but through concentrated effort, they can be facilitated using, as I mentioned, augmented reality, virtual reality. Give them the feel of how AI is helping or facilitating their old school methods. Once they understand or grasp this reality, which is in true letter and spirit there, it will be easier for them to transition. Yes, I am not saying that it is impossible. I'm only saying it's a matter of putting in the correct amount of effort in the correct direction. The problem with old school is that they don't want something or someone to take over their job. AI is here to stay. Take it or leave it. And they need to be facilitated by the HR department so that they do not fear AI. They absorb it or absolve it with the use of their daily efforts which they put in. AI, I disagree on this fact, which is generally understood, that AI will take away jobs. AI will only generate different jobs, meaning thereby the people who are working in the aviation industry need to have different skill sets now. AI will only be forcing that change on the systemic level. And that is which one of my points on the slides were, that if academia and industry get together and identify what are the gaps that are there and find out solutions together, then it will be a win-win situation. Once again, human oversight is paramount. That is where the buck stops. I hope I made some sense on the answer. So pardon the long answer though. I'm sorry, I cannot hear anyone. Pardon.
She just thanked you for your great answer. Did I get it right? Perfect. Well, if there's no more further questions, I want to thank Mr. Masood, and we will carry on with the rest of the seminar. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. You take care. Have a good one. Cheers.